Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making another mini purse. And I think this is actually one of the easiest cardstock purses I've made. You will be so shocked at how easy this is. I got it from Fabrica, and I will leave the link in my descriptions below. And we'll go ahead and upload it to Cricut Design Space and go from there. So this is the purse, and the first thing we're going to do is click on Ungroup, and we are going to select the red and change that to a score. Then select both and hit attach. I am going to make it a little bit bigger because I think this is so cute for a little gift card or something like for teacher appreciation. It's so cute. It's just a tad too little for a gift card, so I am going to make it a little bit bigger. So all we need to do is just drag it. So that's it. I am going to do 8.226 by 8.236. And now we are ready to hit make it and continue and load the mat. And we will be using a score tool, and we'll be doing a basic cut. That is it. It's going to be so easy, I promise you. No glue, no tape, nothing. Okay, so this is what you get. And all we're going to do is fold on the score lines. So we have this here and here. And then the sides, we're going to fold. Same. Okay, and you're gonna fold this tab. And see how cute this is? You can just put like a little gift card in here, or some chocolate in the gift card. All we're gonna do is pull this forward. Then you just pull it together and you pull this forward. Okay, so then this tab is going to go down. So this is just like this, and it's gonna go right in there. And that is it. Isn't that so easy? But we're not done. We're gonna add just a little bit more to it. And that is it. Isn't that so cute, you guys? It's so easy. You can add a little bow, and you can do it with no bow. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.